Okay, I'm going to do a parts per million test on my water samples. I have Ozarka here, and I have the purified water, drinking water. Then I have water for my refrigerator filtering system that I just installed. So first one, Ozarka, 31 parts per million, which is good. Next one is a purified sample. 2 parts per million. Excellent. And the last sample is from the filtering system. Look at that. 181 parts per million from a brand new filter I just placed in for my LG fridge that I just ordered literally a couple hours ago. This is so much fun to install. I just installed this. I literally just ordered it today. Just ordered. I don't know if this is defective, but I definitely want a refund.